Glad to be here. Welcome in. My name is Tembegile. It is so nice to meet you. If this is your first time here, welcome to Ndlovu Visions. We are going to do a meditation today, and feel free to look at me during this meditation if you'd like, or when I invite you to close your eyes, you can do that as well. Or just keep your gaze low to the ground. Like currently, my phone is low to the ground. Help my eyes look a little closed. You just want them pretty low, not open to see too much. So I'm just here as a guide. If you'd like to see when I'm moving, how the movements actually look, feel free to look and then close your eyes and get back in your zone, or look the whole time, or whatever feels comfortable to you. So I am holding the sound bowl, but during this, I'll probably put it down and you'll hear the sound bowl because I have pre-recorded it. This is just for looks. And allow yourself to get in a comfortable seated position, whatever this looks like to you. Today, right now, this is what it's going to be for me. Allow your spine to become tall and straight. Release and relax yourself into this moment. As you get situated, allow yourself to sink into the surface beneath you. Feel rooted and supported by the surface beneath you. If you need to wiggle around to adjust yourself into your seat, if you're seated in a chair, if you're seated on the floor, with your legs crossed, just stretched in front of you, or however you'd like, just allow yourself to feel supported by the surface below you. As we begin, I invite you to gently close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Allow yourself to make gentle movements of your torso, just stretching your upper body as needed to warm yourself up for this meditation. Allowing yourself to not become too stiff. Sink into this moment. Allow yourself to inhale deep as you stretch your arms up above your head. Inhale deep. Hold. Release and let go as you release. We're going to do that a few more times, allowing your breath to stretch as long as it can as you inhale, fully expanding your stomach, and as you exhale, allowing it to recoil completely and your breath to exhale slowly. Inhale deep, arms reaching. Hold, stretch, release. One more time. Inhale, reach, hold, stretch, release. Allow yourself to stretch your body as needed. If that means rolling your neck around in gentle, slow circles, I invite you to do that. While continuing to breathe out, roll in the other direction. And as a back stretch, I invite you to reach your hands down towards your toes If you can touch them, that's okay. If you can't, just as far as you can. And then as your fingers are extended towards your toes, I invite you to arch your back and tilt your head down, facing your stomach. If your eyes were open, you'd be looking at your stomach. Stretch, 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 while continuing to breathe. And as you relax, I invite you to slide your hands up, back towards your thighs, all the way down, past your back, behind you. Stretching as you curve your back, extending your stomach towards the ceiling as your arms support behind you. Inhale, hold, release as you deepen your stretch. Again, continuing to stretch in this position. Inhale, hold, release. Now I invite you to get into a cross-legged position if that feels comfortable to you. If not, continue in the same position you're in. As you sit, place your palms on your thigh, palms facing upward, open to receive. Inhale deep, hold, release. Again, inhale deep,
Allow yourself to center
hold,
into this moment.
release. One last time, inhaling with your stomach fully expanding. Inhale, hold, release. As you sit in this position, I invite you to gently rock side to side as you feel a breeze blowing over your body. If your window is open, you might feel a breeze coming through, washing over your body. And if you're not outside or by a breeze, imagine the feeling of the breeze, the wind whipping by, washing over your body as you gently sway back and forth, gently, side to side, allowing the wind to wash over you, cleansing you. Inhale deep, hold, release. Gently rotating your body in a small circular motion as you breathe. Inhale deep, hold, release. In the opposite direction. Inhale deep, hold, release. You find a moment of stillness. I invite you to slow your breathing as you take a slow, long, deep inhale, filling your stomach first, and then your chest, and then your throat. A 3-part breath. Inhale deep to your stomach, chest, throat, hold, release. Doing your best to exhale just as slowly as the inhale. Inhale to your stomach, chest, throat, hold, release. One last time. Inhale to your stomach, chest, throat, hold, release. I invite you to allow your breath to return to its normal breathing pattern. And as we continue in this meditation, as thoughts come into your mind, allow them to come and go without judgment. Just as
Allow
a car
yourself to
driving past your
center
window,
into this
you
moment.
see it and then it's gone. And you don't chase after it wondering where it's gone. You just recenter to where you were looking until another car comes by and catches your eye. Just allow them to come and go. And in between, allow yourself to focus on the sound, on the frequency. Listen to it and allow yourself to get swept away in the frequency, in the melody of love. Inhale deep, hold, release. Allowing your breath to come and go as you need. Take a moment of stillness. Allowing the thoughts to come and go as they so please. Knowing that you have nothing to prove. Knowing that you are enough in this moment. Meditation is meant to help you find focus in your life, a center, a oneness, stillness, a peace. One that you not only feel during your alone time of the meditation, but a peace you can feel throughout your entire day. Allow yourself to rejoice in this calmness, in this moment. Again, imagining, feeling the breeze blowing over you gently. Gentle reminder that you're alive. You are surrounded by light. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Thank you for joining me today. body to gently awaken, whatever that looks like to you. Gentle rocking motion, gently rolling your body or your neck, allowing yourself to come alive to this moment. Easing out of our meditation with a final breath. Inhale deep, hold, release. Gently open your eyes and allow yourself to see the place you are in now, knowing that you are at home, not because of what surrounds you, but because home is wherever you are. Home is in your heart. Take heart in your heart. Know that you are loved, you are safe, you are wise, and you are protected. Thank you for joining me today in this meditation. Thank yourself for taking the time to do this for you.